Welcome to my channel. This is me fatimaKhan here and you are watching findColor with fatimaKhan. This is another video which is pocket friendly and beginner friendly too, just like other videos at my channel. So let's get started. Are you going to paint textured flowers or another textured painting and thinking to buy some texturing glue? I would just not recommend you at all to buy the most expensive textured paste or thickening glues or etc. You can make it very easily with talcum powder or baby powder and the ordinary white glue.